In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a MS Word file easily. We will discuss two different methods. So let's begin the topic. Here I have a PDF file. I want to convert it into a Word file. So what I have to do? I have two different methods. I can easily use a Microsoft Office software, or we can use the one-line software. So let me show you how to use a one-line website to convert PDF to Microsoft Word. Let me go to a browser. Let me search PDF to Word converter. Here, small PDF. Let me click on it. Click on choose file. Show all files. Let me select that PDF file, the Word template 5. Let me open it. Here, convert to Word, choose option. Let me download the file. So the file has been downloaded here. Click on it. Here the PDF file has been converted into a Word document. I can easily edit the picture and the name and everything. So let me close it. I can easily use a Microsoft Office Word to convert PDF to Word. Let me go to search, go to Word, click on it. Go to open, click on browse, click on download. Here I have a PDF file called PDF. Let me click on it and open it. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. So let me click on OK. Here the PDF file has been converted into an editable Word document. So I can easily use website. Here many website you will see. You can easily use one of this website, or otherwise you can use the Microsoft Office Word to convert PDF to Word document. So hope you find this video helpful. Please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.